everyone. Let's find something delicious. I'm the fastest shopping train.
Slow down, Captain Leo. Stay together, everyone.
Mom, look at the wheels. That's strange.
Did someone add lights to this cart?
Wow, it's magical. What's happening?
Everyone, hold the cart!
Don't let go!
This is awesome! Where are we?
This isn't our supermarket.
I think we're in another country.
Best shopping trip ever. Hello, welcome. Hello.
Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Very good.
Konnichiwa. Everything smells amazing.
Let's learn some food words.
This is sushi. Sushi. Rice. Rice.
I know rice.
Can I use these dollars?
Sorry. Oh no.
We need another idea.
Maybe the magic cart can help.
Did you see that? The cart gave us money. Thank you, magical cart. Welcome.
Perfect.
Sushi is delicious. I like rice.
Today we learned
Hello and sushi.
travel helps us learn. Every country has something special.
Who was that?
He disappeared.
Did anyone else see him? Maybe he's using a magic cart too. The wheels are glowing again. Hold on, everyone. Don't let go. Stay together.
This feels like a roller coaster.
Wow, look at that huge tower.
Welcome to France.
Everything looks beautiful. Even the air smells delicious.
Those look amazing.
Bonjour. Bonjour. Very good.
Bonjour. Croissant,
Croissant.
bread,
Bread. Can you say cheese?
cheese.
Excellent.
Oh no, no coins. Ugh, the cart is empty.
What happened? Maybe the magic only works sometimes.
Can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I'll carry the bread. I'll arrange the cakes. I'll bring the napkins.
Thank you. This croissant is for you. You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Helping is better than money.
There he is again.
Wait! What? Let's follow him. Be careful. This compass is strange. Oh,
It's pointing to the cart.
maybe they're connected. He's helping us, isn't he?
Or testing us. We'll find out.
Next country, here we come. Let's continue our adventure. Look at all the flags. Where are we going now?
The cart is choosing our next stop.
Get ready, everyone. Welcome to Egypt.
Wow, the pyramids are enormous.
I've never seen so much sand.
Let's explore together.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
Would you like some dates?
Yes, please.
These are very sweet.
I want orange juice. 8.
Date.
Orange.
Orange.
Juice. Juice.
Excellent pronunciation.
You're learning quickly. The cart.
It's moving.
Catch it! Run! I got it!
Great job. That was close.
The compass is glowing again. Why is it spinning so fast? What's behind that door?
It looks ancient.
Maybe there's a clue. I think it's a puzzle. Bread. Water. Hello. Smile. We found something. It's another magic stamp. Take it carefully. It's beautiful. Another stamp appeared.
The passport is filling itself.
Someone is guiding our journey. I can't wait for the next country. Let's keep traveling. The passport is shining.
Maybe another page is waking up.
We're getting closer to the secret. Everyone, hold tight. This place is wonderful.
Welcome to Italy.
I hear music everywhere. Let's meet.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello. Would you like gelato? Yes, please.
Chocolate for me. Vanilla sounds great.
Chocolate. Chocolate. Vanilla. Vanilla. Strawberry. Strawberry. You're doing a great job. Keep practicing. My compass.
The bird took it. Don't panic. Let's follow it.
It's too fast. Please stop.
Don't scare it.
Move slowly. It's okay. You're so gentle. Animals trust kindness. Wait, it's coming. Look, it's a map.
The journey isn't random.
There's a special destination. Where does it lead? Wait! Please! He's disappearing!
He always leaves a clue. Look down.
Another stamp.
4 countries already.
The next place must be important. Let's see what's waiting for us.
Adventure is calling.
I hear birds and monkeys.
We're going somewhere wild.
Stay close to the cart. Welcome to Brazil!
Everything is so green.
Listen to all the animals.
This forest is beautiful.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Would you like a mango?
Yes, please.
Can I have a banana?
Of course.
Mango, mango,
Banana.
banana, pineapple, pineapple.
Excellent.
You're becoming a great traveler.
Why won't it move? Did the magic disappear? Let's check the wheels. Nothing seems broken. We still have more places to visit.
Look!
The baby sloth needs help. Quick!
Be careful.
Don't be afraid.
I've got you. Slowly. You can do it. The magic is back.
Helping others activated it.
Kindness gives the cart its power. That's the real magic.
There's still a mystery.
Someone wants us to finish this journey. The map is changing.
What's in the middle? Every kind heart opens a new road.
Wait, who are you?
Kiwarni.
Keep learning and keep helping. Now
Another page is waiting. I wonder where we're going.
The cart never chooses the same place twice.
Get ready.
the wall is so long.
Welcome to China.
It goes over the mountains.
Let's climb together.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Would you like dumplings?
Yes, please.
They smell wonderful, fresh and hot.
Dumpling.
Dumpling, noodles.
Noodles. Tea.
Perfect. Your English is getting stronger every day.
The passport is gone.
Someone took it.
Search everywhere. Stay calm. It's really missing. Are you okay? I can't find my parents.
Don't worry.
We'll help you. You're not alone.
Excuse me, are you looking for a little girl?
Yes, that's our daughter. Mom.
Thank you so much. We're happy to help.
Look, another stamp.
Helping people unlocks the passport. Every country teaches us kindness. Emma,
You know my name?
your journey is almost halfway complete.
Who are you?
The answer is waiting. Snowy mountains.
It's getting cold. I can see snow.
Our next country must have mountains. Keep your jackets zipped.
Welcome to Switzerland.
The mountains are huge. Everything looks like a postcard.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Would you like some cheese?
Yes, please.
Can I try some bread?
Of course.
Please.
Cheese. Milk. Chocolate.
Well done.
You're remembering every word. The cart!
Wait for us.
The train is leaving! Run!
Need some help?
Yes, please.
Our shopping cart is on that train. Hop on.
Let's go. I got it.
You did it!
Excellent teamwork. Never give up.
Which train goes to the village?
This train goes there.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Great communication. English helps people everywhere. Another stamp.
He was there again!
He's always watching.
And always leaving clues.
There's another country waiting. Let's keep following the map. We're getting closer to the truth.
Ready for the next adventure?
Let's go. Near the ocean. Maybe we're going to an island.
The map is leading us somewhere special.
Stay together. Look at the beautiful harbor.
Welcome to Australia.
The building looks like giant shells. Let's explore.
Hello.
Welcome.
Hello.
Would you like a meat pie?
Yes, please.
Can I have some watermelon?
Certainly.
Pie.
Pie.
Fish.
Fish. Watermelon.
Watermelon. Fantastic.
You're speaking more confidently.
My koala!
Don't worry.
We
We need a safe plan. Look, there's a long net. Let's help him.
Almost there.
I can reach it.
Be careful. You've got this. Thank you.
Thank you for your kindness.
We're happy to help.
Please accept this.
It's beautiful.
A wonderful souvenir.
Another stamp. The passport is almost full. We're getting close. How many countries are left?
Emma, you've learned well.
Please tell us who you are. The final answer is waiting at the last stop.
Where is it? Only one page is empty.
One final destination. Everything has been leading to this. Let's finish our adventure together. It's every place we visited. I've never seen anything like this.
This must be the final destination.
Stay close. So many shopping carts. Were they all magical?
Someone traveled the world before us.
This place has a long history.
Welcome, Emma.
We've been looking for you.
I know. Who are you?
Many years ago, I began the same journey.
Just like us?
Yes,
Why did you choose Emma?
because she has a kind heart. Magic grows through kindness.
Not through money?
No, not through power.
Never.
Helping people is the real adventure.
Why is it still empty? Did we miss a country? Or another lesson?
The final stamp cannot be given. Only you can finish it.
Me? What have you learned?
Kindness?
Sharing, learning, and saying hello to new friends. A heart.
That's beautiful.
The whole world belongs in one family.
Exactly.
We're home.
Was it really an adventure?
Emma, look. The world is full of friends. Where will we go next? Anywhere.
As long as we go together.
See you on our next adventure.